Welcome to Extreme Scoring. Let's now do a walkthrough of the user interface so that you can get familiar with how the system is designed and how it functions. So it's built on a hierarchy. You have your organization level at the top, which when you registered, it's probably the name of your league, or if you're a commercial account, it could be the name of your sim center. Within that organization, you'll have all of your series, which we see listed here. Within each series, you'll have a season, and within each season, you're going to have the details for that season, the roster, the schedule, the points, the classes, your bonuses, penalties, all of that information will live at that level. So let's take a look through this. So here we're at the organization level. We have our organization settings and our ratings options for this organization. And then down below, we have all of our series listed. Now, these can be of any type, road, oval, does not matter. Now, let's go into this series for an example. You can see they have 14 seasons dating back to 2019 that have run. And if we look at the season level here, you can set up your web widgets for the season. You can go into race control and configure it for these seasons, your driver ratings, and then now at the stats level, you have organization stats to view or series stats. If we go into a current season, you'll see now that at this level, we have our schedule, we have our roster, our classes, points, and bonuses and penalties. And then within each one of those, there are other tabs. At the season level here for this particular season 14, you can manage your paints. You can look at the paint requests that have come in, manage teams. And now we have a new level here that's organization series, or you can view stats at the season level. And then the incident log and, of course, standings for this particular season. Let's go over to the menu bar so you see how this works. We actually have a My Data section for drivers. When they log in, they can look at their current series that they run, and if they're running in multiple series in your organization, they can click on stats, standings right from here. They can manage their teams. If they're a team manager for maybe 2 different series, they'll be able to manage those right from this location very easily. Underneath your administration, you're going to have your drivers and teams library. This is going to be where all of your drivers and teams that have ever existed in your organization, they will live in this file cabinet, if you will. When you build out your roster, you're basically drawing those drivers and teams from this cabinet. Now, down below, if we go to our content, here are all the cars and tracks that come in through the API from iRacing. You can change your theme from light to dark theme from right here. Down below, we have our help menu, which contains all of the tutorials for all of the different parts of the system. You have your downloads, which also shows all of the tutorials for the different categories. There's literally over 100 tutorials for every function within the system. And then here are the downloaders for the scoring paint system, the race control system, and then for the leaderboard for commercial accounts, you can download that straight from here. Here is our About page, our privacy policy, our refund policy, our data policy, and then, of course, you can go straight to info.extremescoring.com and view all of our information regarding the program from there as well.